Alrighty guys, Furinno decided to sponsor another video. We got the high-end table. It looked a little fancier, a little nicer, so I figured we'd try this one. Again, we'll put a link down below in the description if you want to check them out. It looks fun. Anyway, with Furinno, their slogan is, fits your space, fits your budget. This one we're going to actually use the directions on, or at least for visual, because it's a little different. Not a whole lot. It's not hard. I'm afraid I might get a little confused. So your first piece, you're going to build it upside down. This is the top part of the end table. Well, this is the top part of the end table. This is the underside of the top part of the end table. All right, so we want these things to start with. Okay, so you're going to lay that upside down so that the unfinished side is facing up towards you. You're going to grab some of your smaller spacers, get those out. Now there's 2 packs of the smaller ones. They're both the same size. So anyway, from there, yeah, you're going to take the small end, not the threaded end, the other end. You're going to put it on top of these little plastic nubs and rotate them in, because that plastic nub is threaded. So, got to get that in there. And okay, so get those all nice and tight. And with that done, next step, take your next shelf, right? You're going to lay it upside down, unfinished side, facing up, right on top of here. Then you're going to take your longer spacer. I don't know if I'm using the right word or not. You're going to get those out. I should have done that before I started recording, right? Yeah. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Can't be perfect. That just wouldn't go good in this world. Anyway, like before, we're threaded end facing up, which is opposite of what we've been doing with the past couple things we put together. But it makes sense why this one's built upside down. So, I saw that and I was like, yeah, I'm going to have the instructions sitting there, that way I can, because I'm going to get, like, I'm going to be trying to put the threaded end down when I don't know why it don't fit. I can see myself doing that. You get used to doing something one way and then you're like, oh, this is how it goes. Like, no, not always. But this way, the top piece can actually have a finished look to it. Which I understand that, you know. Hey, did we do this? Are we doing this right? Come to think about it, I'm not entirely sure that we're doing it right. I mean, we're following instructions. I'm just not sure about the last step. Alright, next you're going to take your other shelf and your unfinished side facing up again. Set it right up there like that. Take your other package of smaller nubs. Let's go ahead and flip the page here though so we can follow along. We're ahead of ourselves. And I just want to make sure that I'm doing this right. Oh, okay. Now I see. The brain was going a step ahead of where I'm at, and I was like, this doesn't make sense. All right. So these nubs right up here on top, just like the other ones, threaded part facing up. And I can't seem to get that piece on there. We'll try a different one. There we go. Get those in there. Your arms are going to get tired, guys. I mean, at least mine did. Mine are tired. This is the third one I put together today. Whew! Other two knobs. Oh, this is the one that didn't want to fit. Okay. So, these actually, both of these don't seem to want to fit. Okay. So if they don't want to fit, rub your finger in there. There might be some plastic that is preventing it from threading on. I do have a tool to rip excess plastic off, but most of you people probably wouldn't have that tool in your house. I used to do some injection molding, so I have the tool to shave these down if I need to, but I don't think I'm going to need to, because you shove your finger in there and move it around a little bit. You can usually clear the thread out enough to get it on. And then whew. Okay, and from there, all right, and then you want these feet. These are your feet. Smallest piece you got in this box, I think. Don't quote me on that. I might be wrong. Anyway, with your feet, you're gonna put these guys finished side, facing the bottom of the thing. You want the unfinished side facing up, which is going to be facing the floor when you turn it around. And then you just rotate these feet on. Thank you, sweets. And get those feet on there nice and tight. Nice and tight. Put your element on again, of course. Unfinished side up in the air. Get those feetsies on. I don't know why you took your feet off. I mean, what else? I think I got this one misthreaded because it was going on a little hard. There it goes. There it goes. All right. Now from there, she's together. Now we just got to put the shelf in, right? Now, if this were a real shelf, it'd be a pain in the butt to put together because you'd have to have screws and everything else. So that's never fun to do. So here's your shelf. You take your little hat down, okay? Then you unfold it. Okay, with it halfway unfolded, then you put it on your head. And no?
No.
She told me that's wrong. Alright, so there you go. Set it down. This grommet right here is going to be the front. This is going to go inside to give the drawer its stability. And then you're just going to slide her right in there. And now you got an end table. Didn't even cost you a whole lot. We'll put the link for this down below in the description, just like the other ones. Thanks again, Furinno, for sponsoring the video. Really appreciate you guys. Appreciate your products, really. I think I bought 7 of these and spent $160. Not overly expensive. And like they said, fits your space, fits your budget. I think they do a good job of that. These things seem really nice. Bye.